Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome back to our channel. It is the Daring Sisters. It's me, Kayleigh, and Alia is behind the camera. We haven't filmed like a video in a while, so we're gonna film a video. We might turn it into grooming like all the horses, but we're gonna start by grooming Honey. So Honey is pretty much retired now, so she doesn't get a lot of attention anymore. So we're gonna groom her, and yeah. So I'm gonna start with the curry. Get all that dirt off. She's really dirty today, y'all. Oh God. She has a very sway back. Okay. Alright y'all, so I have done the curry on her and got as much dirt as I could off of her. And now I'm just gonna kind of brush her and get all the excess dirt off with this soft brush.
Just for the record, you guys, Honey does have the EPM disease. It is a possum and raccoon disease that it's just how their body reacts to it. All horses do have the disease, but once their immune system is weaker, because Honey is 21, once their immune system is weaker, it's harder for them to fight it off, so their body can't control it, and it affects their nerves. So she's being treated for her EPM, but that's why you see her hips and her legs are kind of on a weird slant. That's also why she's retired. She is a Palomino. She's slightly arthritic, so she's just got some of those old people things going on, and the EPM, like I said, we are treating her for it.
Alright, so now that I pretty much got her body, I'm gonna now just go ahead and brush her mane and her tail. Starting with her mane. actually pretty soft and easy to brush today. Not too tangly. Look at that luscious hair. She has really gorgeous hair. Okay. We're just straightening up her mane a little bit, giving it a nice chop, and then we might braid it.
Honey. Our next client is Grace. This is a draft horse. She's very big, big feet. Yeah. She loves to be groomed. This is like her favorite thing in the world. She too is just kind of old, so she's retired. She probably did some kind of carriage work or something like that in Memphis, Tennessee, most likely. But yeah.
Really dusty.
Hi, Grace. Hi. Oh, Gracie. Oh, so sweet you saying hi. So pretty. Hi. Say hi. Horses smell each other. They put their nose up to each other, and that's how they say hi. So she's saying hi. Hi, Grace. She's so sweet. She just loves to be groomed. The neighbor's dogs are really barking.
They are. With the soft brush. She's really dirty today.
The nice thing about that brush too is I think it's got the stiff brush and the soft brush in one.
I know. Stiff brush.
It's got both sides, so there's your stiff brush and then this is soft. So stiff brush gets the dirt off that the curry comb brought to the surface. And then the stiff brush gets it off. And then the soft brush is like shoe polish. It makes them look really shiny. However, it is the winter and horses kind of use dirt to keep them warm. So they're extra dirty and some of the dirt won't really come off very well.
Yes, as you can see with Grace here.
Ah.
So now we're going to do her hair, so her mane and her tail.
Fun fact for you, horses actually don't have the nerves to feel their hair, so a lot of people get concerned about pulling their hair and horses can't even feel it.
Her hair is definitely a lot more tanglier.
Tanglier?
Than Honey's. But Honey's hair is a little bit more like woolly. So it's like shiny and slick and all that. It's also really windy out here today.
Yeah, it's super cold with the wind. You can see all her gray hair, so she's a little older.